If K1 and K2 are maximum kinetic energies of the photoelectron emitted when light of wavelengths lambda 1 and lambda 2 respectively incident on the metallic surface, okay, lambda 1 equal to 3 times of lambda 2, then how much? Okay, if K1 and K2 are maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectrons emitted when the light of wavelengths lambda 1 lambda 2 respectively incident on the metal surface, lambda 1 equal 3 times of lambda 2, then K1 greater than K2 by 3, K1 less than K2 by 3, K1 equal 2 times of K2 or K2 is equal 2 times K1. This one the M's question. Okay, but here K1 equal to, okay, so K1 means kinetic energy, okay, K1 means maximum kinetic energy. K1 kinetic energy is equal to SC by lambda 1 minus work function, okay. Similarly K2, okay, K2 is equal to SC by lambda 2 minus work function, okay. So here, but in case of this equation, so this one also written as SC by lambda 2, also K2, and this one is changed to that side, so plus omega naught, so that is W naught, work function. Now difference between the two kinetic energies, okay, so K1 minus K2 is equal to how much? S is taking common, okay, S is taking common, and so this one plus and this one cancel, so 1 by lambda 1 minus 1 by lambda 2, okay, and this K2, so this one minus and this one plus, so W2 W0 will be cancelled, okay. So we get SC is equal to 1 by lambda 1 is equal to 3 times of lambda 2, so 3 times of lambda 2 minus lambda 2, okay, minus lambda 2, so is nothing but you are taking LCM is 3 times 3 2 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 times divided by 3 SC by lambda 2, okay. So minus 2 by 3 is equal to SC by lambda 2. SC by lambda 2 is nothing but K2 plus work function, okay. So now K1 is equal to K2 minus 2 by 3 times of K2, okay. So that means here this one is K1 minus K2, so K1 is equal to K2 minus 2 by 3 times of, and now 2 by 3 times of work function, okay. So K1 equal to, and so taking K2, so we get 3 minus 2, that is K2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 work function, okay. So here K1 is less than K2 by 3, okay. Your answer is, which one is correct? Option B is correct. That answer is option B, okay. Your answer is option B is correct. So if K1 and K2, okay, K1 K2 are the maximum kinetic energies of photoelectrons emitted when the light of wavelengths lambda 1 and lambda 2 respectively incident on the metallic surface of lambda 1 3 times of lambda 2, okay. But in case of kinetic energy is equal to, so your kinetic K1 is equal to SC by lambda 1 minus work function, so similarly K2 is equal to SC by lambda 2 minus work function, because K1, so lambda 1 is kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy, lambda 2 respective wavelength is given, so and K2 SC by lambda 2 written as K2, and this one changed to the left hand side, so plus, okay. Now difference between the two kinetic energy K1 minus K2, so SC minus lambda 1 minus W naught minus SC by lambda 2 plus W naught, so this work function cancel, so we get SC taking common 1 by lambda 1 minus 1 by lambda 2, okay, SC, but lambda 1 equal how much? Lambda 1 is equal to 3 times of lambda 2, so we put it 3 times of lambda 2. Now taking LCM is 3 lambda 2, so 1 minus 2, So 1 minus 2 means 2. So 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. 2 by 3 of SC by lambda 2. So equal to minus 2 SC by lambda 2. That value of SC by lambda 2 is this one, is SC by lambda 2 is K2 minus work function. So K2 minus work function. Your answer is, so this one is K1 minus K2. So K1 is equal to, move to the right hand side. So plus, the minus symbol goes to right hand side is plus. So K2 minus and this factor. So minus 2 by 3 K2 minus 2 by 3 K2 minus plus minus 2 by 3 W0. Okay, so K1 is equal to K2 and taking LCM 3. So 3 K2 minus 2 K2, that is K2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is omega naught. So that means K1 is less than K2 by 3. Okay, this was your answer.